Here we are again. The waiting time is now. I've done the fluoroscopy and the CT scan. Everything's down there where it's supposed to be, apparently. So I wait for the medicine that they're gonna put down the guidance tube into me. And I've got a drink here, little straw, so I don't disturb the thingamajig. Bob and creams this time. Only a handful of towels because I don't have a box this time. That's fine. Proper look around as well this time for you. That's little room alone again, apparently. But it's not a very busy area. This. But yeah. So far no puking. Few gips that you really don't need to know about, but yeah. Whew. Yes. The waiting begins. I've also got Wotsits because they go down smoother. And a bottle of water. And my reading material, if I get bored. Here's Gospel by Will Morris and crumbs. It's all in place. And Continuing Class War from Rob Williams. So yeah, that's what I've got to read. If I get bored in the bag, which I probably will get bored. But yeah. There it is. Just gotta wait now. It shouldn't do too long though. 2 hours, which isn't long in the big scheme of things. Get that radiation down me. Last one. Fingers crossed. And subscribe.